Good morning, everybody. I'm going to be posting this in all of your on all of your classes. But we're in homeroom right now, and today we're doing Monday makeups. This means that there's no new work, but you have final exams this week, okay? So in our class, we will be doing makeup work. We're going to be doing Zoom meetings starting Tuesday, so tomorrow. And then we will be, I'll be emailing all your parents about work that you need to get done just to make sure that, our grades are all good and set up before you take your final exams, okay? So today you have Connection A, final exam. You need to go to all of your Connection A classes and figure out what the code is to be able to take that exam. If you have questions, tell your parents to email me and I will help you figure that out. Okay, so let's get this done. I'll be sending emails to your parents today and tomorrow. And tomorrow we'll start with having our Zoom. Okay, have a good day.